What's up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency. The call on the radio was for the cops to check the welfare of this guy. I know it's kind of loud. There's a car wash behind me. You guys always record the police, folks. It's your First Amendment right to record and document all police interactions. Like I said, I apologize for the loud noise. There's a car wash right behind me. I walked up and these two cops didn't seem to have a bad attitude. One of them nodded. There's a bunch of mosquitoes out here, folks, so I'm getting fucking chewed up out here.
Maybe it's back at the house. Where's your wife at? She's there too? Are you guys homeless or no? You're homeless right now? She's at the school? Right. Yeah. So you said? What's your wife's name?
Fíjate, su hermana, ¿no pasa nada? Okay. Hey, okay. Oh, está bien. Okay. Si quieres, le doy raite para allá. ¿Está bien? Le doy raite para allá. Para la casa de su hermana. Okay. Ya. Vamos, te llevo.
The cops offered him a ride to his sister's house, guys. How you doing this morning, man?
Good, man. What's up?
Not too bad. Okay, mind if I get your name and badge number right quick?
Yeah, Spearman 1531.
1531.
Yes,
I
sir.
appreciate it, man.
No problem.
You have your coffee this morning yet?
Nah, man. I'm not a coffee guy.
All right. He had a pretty good attitude, guys. For those of you that say that I like to come out here and instigate, I just try to record and document and do things my way, try to be respectful as possible. They're giving him a ride to his sister's house, which I think is kind of cool, I guess. The call on the radio was to check the welfare on this guy. That's kind of what we want to see. We want to see cops doing a service, doing a service for the people. They could have just left him here or whatnot, but they offered to give him a ride. I appreciate you giving the guy a ride home, man, or to his sister's house, I guess.
Yeah, we try to help out, man.
Yeah,
What's
no
your
doubt.
name?
David?
David, nice to
Yeah,
meet you, man.
nice to meet you.
Take care, okay?
All right, mind if I get your name and badge number real quick?
Sure, Gomez, badge 1111.
1111?
Yep.
I appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Yep. See, guys, I'm not trying to be disrespectful or anything like that. He shook my hand for thanking him I basically thanked him for giving the dude a ride to his sister's house, which I think is a good service, right? Because they called for a call for service. It was to check the welfare on this guy, and they came out and they were respectful with the guy. They weren't like treating him with disrespect or whatnot. And man, I gotta say, I appreciate that. They even offered to give him a ride home, and they're gonna give him a ride to his sister's house. They didn't throw him in handcuffs or anything. They weren't being disrespectful to the guy, and that's what I like to see out here, folks. For those of you guys that like to say that I come out to instigate, I don't. I'm out here just recording and documenting. The cop even shook my hand. I shook his hand. No disrespect here, man. All respect right here, guys. On every level, on both sides of the spectrum. Whether you're for, police or against police or for police, this is just a documentation of what's happening out here. And when I walked up, they were already kind of talking to the guy. Right when I walked up, and I thought I was recording, guys, so I apologize, but I walked up and I didn't see them acting like in a disrespectful tone to the guy. They weren't like being mean to him or nothing like that. They were just asking him some questions like, are you homeless? And, are you staying anywhere? They asked him a little bit about his wife and is she okay? And they asked him if he wanted to ride home to his sister's house. He said yeah, and they gave him a ride home. And in reality, man, I appreciate that. So with that being said, guys, we're done here. Peace out.